How can you shrink oversized Crocs?
Hello, Crocs enthusiasts. In today's tutorial, we're tackling a common problem: oversized Crocs. If you've found the perfect pair of Crocs but they're just a bit too big, don't worry. There's a simple way to shrink them to a more comfortable fit. Let's get started.
What you'll need:
Before we start, here's a list of things you'll need. Your oversized Crocs, a heat source, a hairdryer will do, thick socks, for testing the fit. Please note, this method works best on genuine Crocs made from Croslite material, a proprietary closed-cell resin technology by Crocs, and might not work as effectively on knockoff versions.
How to shrink your Crocs.
Step 1. Clean your Crocs. Give your Crocs a good clean to remove any dirt or grime. Let them dry completely before moving on to the next step. Step 2. Apply heat. Turn your hairdryer on a medium to high heat setting. Hold it about 6 inches away from your Crocs and start evenly heating the areas you wish to shrink. Remember to keep the hairdryer moving to avoid melting or warping your Crocs. Step 3. Mold the shoes while your Crocs are still warm. Put on your thick socks and step into the shoes. Walk around for a few minutes. The warmth will make the Croslite material flexible, allowing it to mold to your feet. Step 4. Let them cool. Allow your Crocs to cool down while you are still wearing them. Once cooled, they will retain the shape of your feet, providing a more secure and comfortable fit. Be cautious not to overheat the shoes, as this can damage them. Patience is key.
Tips for perfect shrinkage.
For better control over the shrinkage, apply heat in stages. You can always repeat the process if needed. Don't rush the process. Too much heat can warp the shape or even melt the shoes. This method can help if your Crocs have stretched out over time, as well. And there you have it, folks. A quick and easy method to shrink your oversized Crocs to a perfect fit. Remember, patience and careful heating are essential. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep rocking those Crocs in comfort.